Yo, what is going on, guys? It is CryptoZerp, and today I am going to show you guys a really cool video, and I think you guys will all appreciate it. And this video is going to be about the Fibonacci Retracement tool. Now, it's a very common tool. I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen it if you guys been on Tradingview or maybe saw it on Twitter or any type of graph for cryptocurrency or even stocks it works for. But for this case, we are going to talk about cryptocurrency. And I'm sure you guys have all seen it before if you guys have looked at any type of graphs before, but it mainly tells you when to, buy, when to sell, and it can really help out your trading game and letting you get ahead of your competition, knowing when to sell and buy and all those types of things. So hopefully you guys all enjoy this video, and let's get straight into it. Alright, so to start us off, I'm going to show you a simple way on how the Fibonacci tool works. Now, with the Fibonacci tool, like I said, I'm sure most of you guys have seen this everywhere, whether it's Tradingview or Twitter. You guys have probably seen this. Now, with the Fibonacci tool, you're always going to have a top and you're always going to have a bottom. Now, the way I like to do it is I like to do the top first and then drag it down to the bottom. So generally speaking, I like to have the top in the past and then the bottom in the more recent / present view. So right now I'm using Redcoin as an example, just because it has a really high and a really low. But I'm also on TradingView right now. This is just another site where you can use graphs. I'm sure there's a lot of other sites that have the Fibonacci tool, but I'm just using TradingView for this example. So what you're gonna do, it's actually gonna look like this. You're gonna go to this pitchfork tool right here. It's gonna be right here, third one down. You're gonna click on it, and then you scroll down to Fib Retracement, which stands for Fibonacci Retracement tool. And then you're going to go to a top or a high in the past. And you're going to go all the way to the highest candle right here, the highest wick, and you're going to click and drag. And then next what you're going to do, you're going to go to the lowest low, kind of in the, the most recent, and you're going to go all the way to the bottom of the wick and drag. And I'm going to go a little bit over, and you want to keep that lined up with the bottom wick, and then you're just going to click, and that right there is a perfect Fibonacci tool right here. So what the Fibonacci Retracement tool does is it shows levels of resistance. So right here is a level of resistance, right here is a level of resistance, right here is a level of resistance, and so on. So what I mean by that is that's where people are selling, or most likely going to sell. So here's a perfect example. As you can see, this line is a line of support, and right here it goes up and it kind of steadies out, and once it hits this line it goes back up, and once it hits this line it goes back up, and so on. And once it breaks through the line it goes down. The reason why this is so important, guys, is because this will tell you when to sell. So as you can see, once it broke through here, it went all the way down. Once it breaks through the lines, it will most likely go down. So how we can use this is, for example, on Redcoin, say if we wanted to do our first 25% takeout right here. This is going to show you when to sell. So for example, now this is just the way I would personally do it. So say if you have, $1,000 in Redcoin, right? You're going to take out 25% of it right here, right? Once you get a guaranteed profit, say if you bought it all the way down here and you want to get a 25%, you want to take 25% out. Once you get to this profit, you're going to take it out not on this line, because this is where everybody's selling it, right? You're going to take it right before that, like so. So this is the line where you're going to be selling. Once it hits this line, you're going to sell 25%. Now, I would not recommend just selling all of your shares. I mean, you could if you don't want to be too greedy. But the way I do it personally is I'll sell 25% of my shares right here. And then the next line, I'll make another line. I'll sell another 25% right here. And so on. And you just keep making the lines right below the level, because like I said, guys, these lines are where everybody's selling, so you want to sell right before everybody starts selling. This will give you a huge gain in just being ahead of the competition, really. So like I said, guys, you're just going to sell at each line a new percentage of your shares. 25%, 50%, whatever you guys want. That's for you to debate. It depends how much returns you guys want, or like how much certainty you guys want. But the only way this rule will not work is if you think the cryptocurrency will just skyrocket, which is this box right here. This is 100% returns right here, right? So if you buy at the very bottom right here and you think it's just going to skyrocket, I would not recommend just doing this 25% takeout thing. You're better off just holding it. This is kind of for the more secure, the safe trade style. If you want to get for sure gains while it's going up by selling a little bit at a time, I definitely recommend this. But if you think it's just going to skyrocket, by all means you can hold it. But this is just a little helpful tip I thought I would share with you guys. I know it's a very basic tutorial. It's not really advanced at all. If you guys want an advanced tutorial for this, I can definitely do it. But I just want a simple little basic tutorial for all the people that haven't even used this tool before. And like I said, guys, if you aren't using this tool, definitely start using it, because it gives you a huge advantage over the market, and it'll definitely help you out, because it sure has helped me out. And it's just a really great tool to know where all the resistance is and when to sell. So hopefully you guys all enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, and if you have any questions on how to use the Fibonacci retracement tool, just leave a comment. I'll try to answer it for you guys. And if you haven't already, please subscribe so you can see all my future crypto videos. And like I said, guys, if you guys want an advanced tutorial on the Fibonacci tool, I'm really down to do it. I just thought I'd make a basic video for all you guys right now. But hopefully you guys will have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.